I'm coming down. I want the world to know. Got to let it show. I'm coming out and I won't believe to it like you know. I'm gonna do it like you never knew. Hey guys, welcome back to the Power Room with Nikki. Thank you so much for clicking that button to watch this video. Today's video is another hair review. I've worked with this company in the past. I'm gonna link that video right here, so if you have not seen this video, go ahead and check it out. It is a different texture that I wore in this video, but this company is bomb, you guys. This is definitely my top 3 hair companies. Nadula hair is just amazing. So here is how the hair arrived. I got my hair within the same week of ordering it. I am wearing this time Peruvian body wave, and the length's 28, 26, 24, 22, and an 18-inch closure. The price right here without my discount code, this is the price you'll get. And then I'll link the code here as well. I'm gonna also put my wig maker up here because this is a unit. Like, I just left the gym, so I'm wearing black, but I decided to hurry up and throw this unit on and do a review because I'm leaving town. And yeah, I just had to tell you guys, this hair is bomb. So for all my Scorpios, everybody who wants to look bomb for Thanksgiving, you wanna show up and look like Kim K, get you this hair. Even for Christmas, if you want to buy it for a sister, a best friend, get you some bundles from Nadula. That's all I'm gonna say. But my first unit from Nadula, that kinky curly baby, that stuff is bomb. Like, I wash it, it reverts back like this. So I can't wait to be able to see how this one does too. This hair is just really, really soft. I just can't stop playing with it. But yeah, I'm gonna curl her and see. Oh, do you guys want to see the back? Let me show you the back. It's nice and full. It's more of a 1B. I really hope my camera's picking this shit up. I do not experience any shedding, any tangling, no crazy smells. I have not washed this hair at all yet. So this is it in its natural state. And I just want to show you guys, this is this hair in its natural state. This curl pattern is out of this world. This is body wave, okay? I'm gonna just let y'all take that in. So this is body wave, which means that when you curl this ish, it's gonna hold, it ain't going nowhere. I wanna color some hair. I want a really pretty fall color, and I think I'm gonna do it to this unit. I'm just tired of black hair. Like, we always do black, so we need to switch it up. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. No smells. You get a discount code, very, very affordable. I'm gonna put my price right here. If you were to order without a discount code, this is what you would pay. But yeah, I have to leave town, so I have to go and finish packing. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Nadula, for reaching out and giving me this hair again, like giving me some more hair. It's so full, so pretty, super soft, extremely soft. Like, this hair is insanely soft. Get a little shoulder action. No, it's looking really dark. I don't know. Maybe it is more of a natural black than a 1B. Yeah, that's what I would say. This is a lot more of a natural black than a 1B, and I have no complaints with that. But I really want to color this hair. I'm gonna do it on camera and let you guys know how it comes out. So, well, if it comes out horribly, I won't do a video on it, but yeah, check out Nadula. Thank you, Nadula, again, and then I'll see you guys next time in the powder room. All hair specs and details will be down below. Please read. Please. Please. Starving. You're gonna do it like you never knew it. Why is that song in my head? Thanks. Ariana is a whole mood. Okay, I'm about to go wash my face off and shower. I'll see you guys next time in the powder room. Don't forget, check Nadula out. Get somebody a gift. Be nice, compliment one another, and yeah, just be thankful. It's November, the best month of the year. All right? Okay, see you guys. Bye. Thank you. Next.